Hello there, this is Miss Nurhan. We will talk about the excretion and the human urinary system. Excretion and human urinary system. There are two types of wastes that expelled outside the body or expelled outside our body. So, number one, the solid wastes, and they are the indigested food stored in the large intestine, as we studied before in the grade 4, until they pass out the body. Number two, the execratory materials. And the execratory materials, they are waste materials produced inside the body cells, where the body must get rid of them because they are harmful materials. So, the excretory materials divided into carbon dioxide and water vapor, and nitrogenous wastes, and excess salt and excess water. Carbon dioxide and water vapor produced when the body cells burn the digested food by the oxygen to produce energy, and exhaled from the two lungs. So the two lungs get out the carbon dioxide and water vapor. Number two, the nitrogenous wastes. The nitrogenous wastes, like urea and uric acid, produced from the breaking down of proteins. So they are removed by the two kidneys. So the carbon dioxide and water vapor removed by the two lungs, while the nitrogenous wastes removed by the two kidneys. While the excess salt and excess water dissolving in the excess water expelled outside the body through two ways. Number one, the urinary system in the form of urine, or the skin by secreting sweat from the special glands in the skin called sweat gland, like this photo or this picture. So, the human urinary system, it is the system that clarifies blood from the wastes and harmful substance. So, the human urinary system, it is the system that clarifies blood from the waste and harmful substance and get out the harmful substance outside the body. And the location of the human urinary system, it lies in the abdominal cavity, not in the chest cavity, near the backbone. And its function, it's filter the blood from excess salt, urea, uric acid, and other wastes materials. Expel these wastes outside the body in the form of urine. In the form of what? In the form of urine. And the structure of the urinary system, it consists of two kidneys, two ureters, and urinary bladder. Let's see. The two kidneys, this called the two kidneys. And the two kidneys is the most important organs, and they are bean-shaped. They are like the pin, so they are pin-shaped. It's located on both sides of the backbone, and its function to filter the blood from urea and uric acid and excess salt and other wastes materials, and getting rid of these wastes in the form of urine. So the two kidneys filter the blood. After that, the two ureters. After the two kidneys filter the blood from the wastes, the two narrow tubes called the two ureters, it connected with the kidney. So it transfers the urine, take the urine from the kidney and transfer the urine to the urinary bladder. And this urinary bladder is balloon-like sac that receives the urine from the two ureters, and it stores urine until it released outside the body through the urethra. The urethra, it is the opening that extends from the urinary bladder and opens outside the body, and it allows the urine to pass out the body. So, how to keep the urinary system healthy? You should drink suitable amount of clean water and eat balanced healthy food that is low in salt, and don't keep urine in the urinary bladder for long periods of time. So, in this video, all the something that we described before.
Stop. Do you know which system of your body takes the extra liquid out of your body? Did you know that most of the food we eat also contains a lot of liquid? But you don't know which parts of your body throw extra liquid out. Imagine what would happen if all the liquid stayed trapped in your body. So you think a blast would occur in your tummy if your body didn't get rid of extra liquid? It does not happen like that. The body has certain parts which take care of extra liquid. All these parts are part of the urinary system. This is also called the excretory system. Let's understand more. The main parts of the urinary system include 2 kidneys, ureters and bladder, and a urethra. The kidneys are 2 bean-shaped organs. All of the body's blood passes through it, and it filters the blood and waste liquid is changed into urine. The kidney is made up of several small cells called nephrons that are like small filters. They keep all the nutrients and good blood contained and convert waste into urine. From the kidney, this urine goes into 2 very thin tubes. These tubes are called ureters. From the ureters, it goes into a balloon-like organ called the bladder. When the bladder becomes full, then you feel like going to the washroom to pee. From the bladder, it passes out of the body from a part called the urethra. Oh, it seems your bladder is full too. Do you want to go to the washroom? Can you hold it in for some time? Do you know which muscle helps you to stop pee for some time? There is a muscle lining around the bladder called the sphincter. It stops and holds the flow of urine until you reach the washroom. Okay, go empty your bladder now. Goodbye.